Hi! Thank you for checking out my listing. Please feel free to reach out to me at 317-445-5796 if you have any further questions or would like to schedule a showing. I look forward to hearing from you. Beautiful open floor plan with newly updated kitchen and stainless steel appliances. Master bedroom suite on the main level with fireplace, newly updated walk-in shower and huge walk-in closet. The second bedroom is on main level with full bath and walk-in shower. Main level has beautiful engineered flooring. Large living area has a cozy gas fireplace, den and dining area. Upstairs has large living area, full bath, bedroom west/spacious closet excellent for guest or an in-law quarters. The patio area has new concrete with beautiful landscaping and is ready for you to enjoy the park-like setting with a beautiful water view and morning sunrises. See the wildlife play in the water and come down for a cool drink. This is a move-in ready home.